Hey guys, this is Aisha. In this video today I'm going to tell you about filing a mesothelioma claims. A mesothelioma claims, also known as an asbestos claims, is a type of legal action that allows mesothelioma patients and their families to obtain compensations for illness related to asbestos exposure. The three types of mesothelioma claims are personal injuries claims, wrongful death claims, and trust fund claims. Types of mesothelioma claims. The most common type of mesothelioma claims are personal injury claims and wrong death claims. Bankrupt asbestos companies also created a asbestos trust fund, which are another type of mesothelioma claims that may provide needed financial compensations for victims. A mesothelioma claim is a legal action that mesothelioma victims and their families can take to obtain compensations for their injuries filed as a result of asbestos exposures. These mesothelioma claims are also known as asbestos firms claims. Mesothelioma claims may result in financial compensation through a settlement payment by an asbestos trust fund or trial verdict. Verdict payout varies depending on the type of claim filed, but some claims are worth more than $1 million. Experienced mesothelioma lawyers are familiar with how best to pursue a mesothelioma claims on your behalf, including the identities of the various asbestos manufacturers, and may help you to determine which companies are responsible for your illness. A qualified attorneys will explain all your options for filing a legal claim for compensations. These attorneys have extensive knowledge of exposed victims of asbestos. Their expertise in invaluable for success filing and resolving mesothelioma related legal claims. Personal injury lawsuits. When a patient files a mesothelioma lawsuit, it takes the form of a personal injury claims. Juries can award monetary damages for various losses such as medical expenses, lost income, loss of consumptions, and the pain and suffering. In some cases, juries can also award punitive damages, which are mandatory damages awarded to discourage future wrongdoings. Most mesothelioma lawsuits and settled out of court before a trial takes place. Wrongful death claims. Wrongful death claims lawsuits are lawsuits the state, including family members, can file up. The person has died of mesothelioma. In these cases, juries may award compensations for various losses, including funeral costs, in addition to cancer-related expenses. The state representative, such as the spouse or child of the deceased, brings the lawsuits on behalf of the state. This representative acts in the interest of the state in seeking compensations through a wrongful death claims. Trust fund claims. Many asbestos companies have set up an asbestos trust fund list. Companies do this to set aside fund to compensate people harmed by asbestos exposure while avoiding further lawsuits. Filing asbestos trust fund claims against these established trusts can provide additional compensations for victims beyond just suing the companies directly. Pursuing an asbestos trust fund claim is an important type of victims to recover the maximum compensations. An experienced mesothelioma law firms can help you to determine whether the company responsible for your injuries has a trust fund, and if so, they will walk you through the claims filing process. Why should you file an asbestos claim? One of the top reasons mesothelioma victims file personal injury claim to receive compensations. These compensations may be used to cover medical expenses for cancer treatment and make up for lost wages. Families who lost a loved one may file wrongful death claims or for compensations to afford funeral costs, pay medical bills, and gain financial support for surviving spouse and family members. Mesothelioma is an aggressive illness that often it requires expensive cancer treatments, travels, and caregiving costs not covered by health insurance. This cancer is also preventable, and mesothelioma claims are designed to hold responsible companies accountable. Mesothelioma in 2020, Americans who had gotten sick from asbestos exposure filed more than 3,600 lawsuits, according to the leading industry report. If you or your family member has been diagnosed with mesothelioma and other asbestos related to cancer, your family may be entitled to receive significant compensations. Don't assume you are eligible to file a mesothelioma claims. A qualified mesothelioma attorney will provide a free consultations and case review. Alright guys, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video.